I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your Android version and that you have owner access. Once done, unlock the phone and open settings. This avoids permission surprises. Next, go straight to Apps or Applications Manager and use the search field to find camera and launcher entries. Make sure the camera app is enabled. If it shows disabled, tap Enable. This first sequence removes simple causes so you can focus on restoring the icon quickly and cleanly. Now you perform the detailed steps that actually restore the icon. You tap Camera App Info, then force stop, clear cache, and only clear data if other fixes fail. This resets app state. Next, grant necessary permissions so the OS can show shortcuts and widgets. Also check Open by Default and Home Screen shortcuts. Enable any disabled shortcuts, then use the Launcher's Add Apps menu to drag camera back. These actions address both app and launcher-level causes. Finish by targeting the home screen. If the icon still won't appear, clear the launcher's cache or reset the launcher in Settings. Once done, reboot the device so the system refreshes icon caches. After restart, long press the home screen and add the camera shortcut or widget. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party launchers or uninstall recent apps that may block icons. If all else fails, install a trusted alternate camera app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.